Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Taco Tuesday and I'm not going to disappoint. Last night, the Culinary Expedition was in Uganda. Oh. The recipe slash dish meal, I'm going to try to get this right. It sounds wrong in the demo, but I know I said it right, or at least, yeah. Chickennat. It's all one word. It sounded like, in my demo, it sounded like I said coconut. I don't know. But this is Ugandan chicken stew. Goes back generations. Very versatile. Chicken and peanut butter are the two basic main ingredients. Oh, I think I have already found the recipe of the week. I ate it all. No leftovers. It's that good. I might have to postpone the recipe coming out this morning because I need to add my notes to it. I actually had to rework how I prepared it, and ingredients are basically the same, but I need to rework the actual the method. I had to do a change literally last minute when I realized whoever wrote the original method. So just be patient. All right, so it is Taco Tuesday, and the Culinary Expedition is in Honduras tonight. We are doing a street food called, and I'm going to get this, I'm going to slaughter it. After 80 some recipes with Baleadas. It's taco-ish. I'll explain when we get to the ingredients. So let's get to it. Okay, I'm going to kind of start in I'm going to skip around here. I should have laid this out better. Basically, the most simplest form of this is tortillas, a sour cream that's native to Honduras. We actually, there's a way to make it in an Americanized version, which is sour cream and whole milk. Black beans, warmed, and Parmesan cheese. That's the basics. So I'm adding, like I said, there's, just like tacos, this thing's got variations. I have about 3 or 4 ounces of beef chuck, which I'll cube up, season up, and get it cooked. I'm going to dice up half of an onion. I'm going to add avocado, and I'll figure out what seasonings I'm going to be using for the beef. So that's basically it. So it's built similar to a taco. Yeah, it's really extremely basic. Again, this is a street food from Honduras. You'll just have to watch the demo. Like I said, it's tortilla, beans, the sour cream sauce, and then cheese. That's the basics. And then if you're adding the beef, so you just kind of like a taco, but then it's folded. It's that simple. So what are you doing for Taco Tuesday? Please visit your favorite taqueria if you don't want to cook. I know we have several here in Sutter County and Yuba County and all over California. So enjoy Taco Tuesday. Have a great day. Eat great food and have fun cooking.